Richard Cade, and it's Taupo Ward, but I'm probably better known in Taupō as the lavender man or the soap man down at the market. 2 priorities: fixing the basics, even if it means cutting out on the nice haves. And the second one regards rate increases. I'm a firm believer that we should keep rates at or below the cost of living increase. I have had many different jobs since I came to New Zealand in '74. A professional diver. I've been a CEO of industry stakeholder groups in the fishing industry. I've run my own business. I have lived in Taupo for 20 odd years, and I believe that I have the skills and the capability to do the job. Biggest challenge, I believe, is ensuring that the mayor and the councillors determine the direction of the TDC, and from that, setting the rates. I also believe that to do this, we have to take the ratepayers who put us there along with us. And it means we have to be transparent and we have to have full consultation.